Hi everyone, welcome to the second video in the series IPO Mania. Can you think about living your lives without electronic devices like lights, fans, iron box, heaters, televisions? No, right? Then you cannot ignore the IPO of Elin Electronics also. Yes, my dear friends, today we are going to analyze the IPO of Elin Electronics. Elin Electronics comes under the category of electronics manufacturing services. We all know that there is a huge surge in the consumption of electronic devices in India. What do you think about the reason for this huge surge? A report says the surplus income of the people in India has been increasing. That means people has extra money to spend. Moreover, more people are changing their status from lower class to middle class and middle to upper middle class. When their income increases, they spend more on mobile phones, TVs, washing machines, fans, lights and so on. This is one of the reasons for the huge surge in electronic device consumption. Currently, India is the largest consumer of electronic devices in Asia Pacific region. And India will be the fifth largest consumer of electronic devices in the world by 2025. Electronic manufacturing and repair market is worth 20 million US dollars in India. The Indian government's national policy on electronics aims to facilitate a turnover of 400 billion US dollars in domestic manufacturing by 2025. The electronics sector is expected to nearly double in contribution to the GDP in the next few years because of the increased support from the government to domestic manufacturing. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has announced scheme for promotion of semiconductor ecosystem in India with a massive outlay of rupees 76,000 crore in 2022. As per the Union Budget for the year 2022-2023, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has been allocated rupees 14,300 crore. The government has set a target to get rupees 18,000 crore investments in the electronic manufacturing segment. The market size of electronics industry in India was 215 billion US dollars in 2019 and it is expected to grow at a CAGR of 16% and will become 540 billion US dollars by 2025. The tailwinds for this huge growth expectations is Make in India scheme and production linked incentive schemes by Indian government. I think now you got a fair idea about the tailwinds in the electronics manufacturing services industry from the government. Now let us study about Elin Electronics in detail. Elin Electronics is a leading electronics manufacturing services company who does end-to-end product solutions for major brands of lighting, fans and small appliances and kitchen appliances in India. Also, Elin is one of the largest manufacturers of fractional horsepower motors in India. For your information, fractional horsepower motors are used high RPM, that is rotation per minute applications like mixer grinder, bar blender, vacuum cleaners, fans, air conditioners, etc. The promoters of Elin Electronics are Mangilal Sethia, Kamal Sethia, Kishore Sethia, Gaurav Sethia, Sanjeev Sethia, Sumit Sethia, Suman Sethia, Vasudha Sethia and Vinay Kumar Sethia. The promoter group includes the direct relatives of these promoters. I have listed the names in the promoter group and the relation with the promoter. I don't think I need to tell you all the names. To get a clear picture about Elin Electronics, I will explain about their business model in brief. Elin has two business models, Original Equipment Manufacturing or OEM and Original Design Manufacturing ODM. Under OEM, for example, Havells company partners with Elin and provides the design and specifications of a product like iron box. Elin will manufacture the product as per the standards agreed between them and deliver the product to Havells. ODM, original design manufacturing, is a little different. Under ODM, the same Havells company partners with Elin for making a product. But the concept, design and standards of the product will be set by Elin's research and development team. They will submit the design and plans for Havells approval. Once approved, Elin will manufacture and supply the products to Havells. Now, let us see about the products and customers of Elin Electronics. The products of Elin are LED lighting, fans, modular switches, sockets, small appliances such as dry and steam irons, toasters, hand blenders, mixer grinders, hair dryers, hair straighteners, fractional horsepower motors which is used in high RPM application products, miscellaneous products such as terminal block for air conditioners, stainless steel blade for mixer grinders, die casting, radio sets, etc. Elin also manufacture medical diagnostic cartridges for the use in diagnostic devices and plastic molded and sheet metal parts and component for the customers in the auto ancillary and consumer durable sectors. Now let us see about the major customers of Elin Electronics. Signify Innovations and Ever Ready are Elin's major customers in LED lighting solutions, fans and switches. Philips, Bosch, Faber, Panasonic and USHA are the major customers in small appliances. In fractional horsepower motors, Havells, Bosch, Faber, Panasonic, Preeti which is owned by Philips, Group SCB which is a Maharaja brand and USHA are the major customers. In medical diagnostic cartridges, Mol Bio Diagnostics Private Limited is the major customer. In molded and sheet metal parts and components, DENSO and IFB are the major customers. Now let us see about the market competitors of Elin Electronics. Smile Electronics, PG Electroplast and Indic are Elin's competitors in small appliances. In fractional horsepower motors, Marathon and PICL, which is a subsidiary company of Amber Enterprises, are the competitors. In LED lighting solutions and flashlights, Dixon Technologies and RK Lighting are the competitors. In fans, Yash Electronics, Tiberwala and KKG Industries are the competitors. In sheet metal, JBM Auto, Pansay Auto, Autoline Stamping, SM Auto and Delco Industries are the competitors. In plastic molding, Varroc Engineering, Plastic OPM, Motherson Sumi, Magna Steyr, Prakash Plastics, Afai India, SSI Molds, BDI Group, Multitech and Ashuman Auto are the competitors. Now let us study about the market share of Elin's products in Indian electronic devices market. From this tabulation, we can see that Elin's small appliances has 10.7% of the market share and is one of the top 5 in this segment. In small electric motor segment, Elin is the market leader with 12% market share. In LED lighting solutions and flashlights, Elin is in the top 2 companies with 7.2% market share. In the segment of fans, Elin is the new entrant. Now let us do some research on what are the 4 key strength points of Elin which can place Elin on one leap ahead than its competitors. First one is Elin's products including fractional horsepower motors are well established and well positioned in the market. Let us look into this point in detail. As I told you, Elin is also doing ODM business, so R&D is an integral part of the company. Elin is nurturing a strong R&D team with which the company can design and manufacture products as per the customer's cost and quality requirement. Elin has 171 employees in R&D team out of total employee strength of 4,617. This shows the significance of research and development in Elin's business strategy. The second key strength of Elin Electronics is the de-risked product portfolio and the diversified product segments. Elin has a diversified product list and so a diversified customer base. With this diversification, company is able to balance the risk impacts from any single product segment or even from the customers. From this picture, we can see that the share of each product verticals in the total revenue. We cannot say some segments are too dominating in the contribution. The third strong point of Elin Electronics is the strong relationships with their large customer base. Elin always maintain a warm as well as long relationships with their customers. Out of the top 20 customers, 11 customers are in relationship with Elin for more than 10 years and 16 out of 20 have a relationship more than 5 years. This is a good indicator that tells us that customers are super happy to be with Elin for longer relationships. Also, this is an evidence for the product quality of Elin. Being a supplier to the market leading brands, we need to believe that Elin is designing and manufacturing the best quality products in the industry. Otherwise, a company cannot live such longer lives with their customers. Now, we are going to discuss about one of the best facts about Elin's customer relationship. Elin Electronics signs purchase agreement with its customers for 3 years and renews the agreement after each 3 years. I will explain Elin's process of agreements to you. Once a customer shows interest in Elin's product solutions, Elin's R&D team will prepare the product concept and submit for the customer approval. After approval, Elin will submit a functional prototype of the product to customer's testing team. Meanwhile, Elin will undertake market feasibility studies, tool and die preparation for developing the product as per customer specification and will submit the final product to customer's quality check approval. Then, Elin, along with the customer, will do some audits and surveys on financial, quality and engineering strategies of the product. This entire process may take up to 49 weeks depending upon the customer's response and product's complexity. Now, let us see about the contribution of top customers to Elin's revenue growth. In the financial year 2022, top 5 customers contributed 63% of Elin's revenue and top 10 customers contribute 77%. Now let us have a look on the top 5 customers in all product segments. 27% of the revenue from LED lighting and fans segment is contributed by Signify. Everready holds an additional 3.34% in LED lighting. Philips holds 20% revenue share in small appliance and fractional horsepower segment. Havells hold another 10% of revenue in fractional horsepower motor segment. Currently, Molbio is the only customer in medical diagnosis cartridges and holds a revenue share of 1.5%. Cross-selling and product customization are one of the key strategies of Elin Electronics. Let me tell you some examples for this. Elin Electronics started relationship with Philips by making radio for them in the year 2001. Currently, Elin is manufacturing lighting products and even fractional horsepower motor for Philips. Currently, Philips selected Elin for the manufacturing of trimmers for them. Elin expanded the relationship with USHA from manufacturing fractional horsepower motors to manufacture mixer grinders and recently fans for them. Elin extended the relationship with Bosch from manufacturing fractional horsepower motors to manufacture complete mixer grinder for them. As we discussed, Elin has both OEM and ODM strategies. Currently, company has been expanding the ODM strategy type business. Currently, Elin has ODM capabilities in lighting products and small appliances like iron box and mixer grinders. Signify, Eveready, Philips, Panasonic, USHA and Faber are the ODM customers of Elin Electronics. Elin Electronics stepped into medical diagnosing cartridge manufacturing in the year 2019. Currently, Elin is supplying cartridges to Malbio Diagnostics, the market leader in diagnostics devices. Elin Electronics foresee large potential in medical diagnostic device sector. Elin is planning to find more customers in this sector and involves in the development of new diagnostic products. Company calculates the revenue share from this sector will grow at a CAGR of 18% and can earn 42 billion from this sector. We will see more about Elin's expansion plans later. The fourth critical strength point of Elin Electronics is the ability to do high-level backward integration. Let us see what is backward integration. If a construction company acquires or starts a cement manufacturing company, this can be a backward integration. The recent example is Adani acquiring Ambuja and other cement companies. By doing backward integration, Adani is able to get cement in a cheaper price but can sell cement to his competitors in a higher price. It also improves the margin of Adani's construction business. We know electronic devices also has PCBs, metal and plastic cases. Elin has in-house manufacturing facilities to manufacture all the subcomponents in all product verticals. This means Elin need not depend any external party to manufacture its products. This also enables Elin to address customers' diverse needs, introduce new and unique products in the market, and enhance existing products with emerging technologies. As a result, company is able to fulfill customers' requirement in a timely manner and enhance the ability to offer cost-competitive one-stop shop solutions. Now, let us look into the manufacturing facilities of Elin Electronics. Company has 3 manufacturing facilities which are strategically located in Ghaziabad in Uttar Pradesh, Baddi in Himachal Pradesh and Varna in Goa. Now, let us talk about the raw materials for the business. Elin either gets raw materials sourced by customers or company buys it directly. If customer is sourcing the raw materials, it's customer's duty to make sure about the quality of the raw materials. If Elin buys raw materials directly, company will do audits on supplier regarding their timeliness and quality. Elin will keep raw materials for 30 days always. Regarding the fluctuation of raw material price, company will typically pass the fluctuation of raw material price to its customers. By this, we have completed the first half of our analysis. By now, you got a fair idea about the business models, strategies, competitions of the company. Now, we are going to see about the details of IPO. Promoters are planning to raise 4,750 million rupees or 475 crore rupees from the IPO. In this 475 crores, 175 crores worth share is fresh issue and 300 crores as offer for sale. For those who are new to IPOs, fresh issue is the amount promoters are collecting from IPO for investing into the company itself. Offer for sale amount can be considered as the profit booking by the promoters. All the amount goes to their pocket. Now we will see about the price details of the IPO. 35% of the IPO are reserved to retail investors like us. 50% of the IPO is allotted to QIB, that is qualified institutional brokers, and 15% of the IPO is allotted to high net worth individuals, HNIs. The face value of each share will be 5 rupees. The IPO price will be in the price band of 234 to 247 rupees and in a lot size of 60 shares. The retail investors can apply for a maximum of 13 lots. The equities of Elin will be listed on both NSE and BSE. Currently, promoters hold 53.98% of the equity share and promoter holding will be reduced to 32.93% after the IPO. The market cap of Elin is 1,226 crores with a PE of 26.69. Elin's peer companies Amber Enterprises and Dixon Technologies has PEs of 62 and 140 respectively. So we are getting this company in a cheaper PE than its peers. The average return on net worth of the company is 12.90, which shows the profitability of the company. The net asset value of the company is 78.38 rupees. Now we will see the key performance indicators of the company. From this tabulation, we can see that the revenue from operations are increasing year on year with a decent growth. Here the profit margin is less, but it is common for electronics contract manufacturing companies. EBITDA is 7.31, which is slightly lower than 2021 but greater than 2020. EBITDA normally provides an insight about the operational efficiency of the company. Company's profit after tax PAT increased from 348 crores to 391 crores. PAT indicates the profitability of the business and EBITDA margins are increasing year on year. ROE is slightly lesser than the previous year. ROE indicates the efficiency of the company in generating profit using shareholders' money. Company's asset turnover ratio is increased year on year, which is an indicator showing how efficiently company utilizes its asset in generating revenue. Company's debt to equity ratio is slightly lesser than the previous year. Debt to equity ratio shows the extent to which our company can cover its debt. Now let us have a look on the important dates of this IPO. The Elin Electronics IPO bid date is from December 20th, 2022 10 am to December 22, 5 pm. The cutoff time for UPI mandate confirmation is 5 pm on the issue closing day. So we have completed 90% of our analysis. Now we need to know what will the company do with the 475 crores raised from the IPO. Since it is not a full offer for sale IPO, we should know what is the company's plan with the 175 crores raising as a fresh offer. Elin's management says that they are seeing a huge potential in medical electronics devices market and they are planning to ramp it up. Company plans capital expenditure for construction of building and purchase of machinery which will assist in expansion of medical diagnostic cartridges assembly line. Elin also plans to purchase cartridge assembly lines and molding machine to enhance production of medical diagnostics cartridges. The current plan is to double the existing production capacity for medical diagnostic cartridges from 35,000 units per day to 70,000 units per day. Company also eyes in manufacturing of other medical diagnostic devices such as sterilizer for Philips in a clean room technology setup. Elin believes that this expansion will enable them to generate higher revenue. The only part left in this video is my personal view about this IPO. Advantages. 1. Company is well positioned in its products and has a good customer base. 2. Long-term agreements with customers. 3. High level of backward integration. 4. Lower PE comparing to its peers. When listed, Amber Enterprises and Dixon Technologies were available at a PE below 45. We are seeing the exponential chart patterns of Amber and Dixon here. In my view, Elin also has the potential to grow like this. 5. China Plus One strategy can bring foreign business to the company. 6. Make in India and the PLI schemes for electronics industry are the tailwinds in the coming budget. Disadvantages. 1. Low market cap. 2. Low promoter holding. 3. offer for sale in IPO. 4. All the promoters got aged and next generation need to prove they are capable. 5. Dependency on the top 5 customers. Being said about the dependency on the top 5 customers, let me tell you one thing. When we plan to buy an iron box or a fan, the names like USHA, Philips, Havells comes to our mind, right? This is because of our previous experience with these companies. Similarly, when these companies think about a manufacturing partner, they will consider Elin Electronics because of their timeliness, quality and previous experience. Elin's ODM strategy plays a vital role here. It is not easy for a brand to switch from Elin to another partner because of the ODM. As Elin has a strong R&D team and all in-house facilities for the subcomponents, I believe Elin can do any customization in product and cost for customer requirements. YouTube algorithm knows that you like this video only if you press the like button. So please press the like button if you like this video. Consider subscribing and sharing with your friends also. If you want me to analyze any other stocks or IPO, please mention in the comment section. So we will meet in the next IPO episode. Goodbye. Happy investing.